Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to chat with Facebook support team. So basically if you're looking for like live chat and if this one is available in your country, all you have to do is to type this Facebook live chat support right here. Click the very first link that you can see, tap this one. And then if this one is available in your country, then you can ask directly to a specific agent and address your concern, and they will of course help you right away, so advertisers can get answers to their Facebook advertising questions by clicking this and go to Facebook live chat and start chatting with a Facebook ad specialist or agent here. But as you can see, live chat is available to US, UK, and Ireland and will soon be available in other countries. But if it's not yet available in your country, all you have to do is to wait. Now, it's okay if you can't talk to their agent via live chat support. You can also go to this site like Meta Live Support, and then click the second link, scroll down, and you should see this proceed with live chat. Okay, so if you scroll down here, and then you will see this option, find answers or contact support. Okay, so if you can't have access or you can't talk to someone via live chat, then you can also ask a support or get some answers by sending them your concern. So here what you're going to do is you just have to select the category or the specific problem you're encountering and then send it to them. So as you can see, I don't have issues yet, so I gotta show you that. But if you have, then all you have to do is to select and then send them a question. Another thing is that you can see a help right here or a question mark icon. Tap that one and it will show you some related articles or some articles that can help you solve the problem or the conflict or any glitch that you are experiencing on your Facebook page. Also, if you go to Ads Manager, you will see there like a bug icon. That's how you send a specific message to their agent. So I'm going to show you. So you have to go to your ads first and then look for that bug icon to report a bug. Okay, tap this one. Here you can enter or address your concern, and apart from that, you can also add a picture or attach a picture as a proof that you're experiencing this problem. So you must be very specific here, and then after that, tap send and wait for their agent to respond and help you with this concern. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.